I have earned 30,000 rupees from this application, friends. So I have been earned the 30,000 plus from this application. To know the complete information, so watch the video till the end. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So friends, so here I will share the complete information how you can earn the money so without any investment, so from this application. So I have been earned from the two accounts so which I have. So I will show one of my account which I have been earned. So as you can see here, this is my main account, so where I have been earned 26,000. So in my another account I have been earned the 5,000 rupees in another account. So you too can earn like this. So watch the video till the end. So first of all, friends, what you can do is, so here you no need to invest anything here. So just I will give link in the description. Just go to that link and download the application from it. So for it you need to have an Aadhaar card and also PAN card. So you need to verify your Aadhaar card also. So basically it is an Demat account, so where you can create in the Upstox. So basically it is an Upstox app where you can earn the money just by referring your friends. So if you don't know how to do the trading, so how to earn the money, no need to worry about that. Here you are not doing any trading, so you can just here you can earn money just referring your friends. So what you have to do is, so I will give a link in the description. Just go to that link and download the app. So once you download the app, friends, so if you are downloading the app from my link, so you will be getting the up to 500 rupees, so trading charges free. So 500 rupees. So this is the benefit what you are getting from my link. So if you are download, so if you are not doing the trading, no problem. So once you download the app, so if you don't know how to sign up, so I will give a link in the description. So how you can sign up in this application, so what are the requirement details you need. So once you can follow that video to sign up, so to create a Demat account in the Upstox. So once you create a Demat account, so what you can do is, so what you have to do without any investment, how you can earn the money. So you can just refer your friends. So per refer friends, absolutely you will be getting the 500 rupees. So presently the offer is 500 rupees. Sometimes it may go to the 600 or 900 also. So as you can see here, friends, I have been earned from this application. So in this mobile I haven't, so this is my main app. So I have 26,000 in this app and also 5,000 in another mobile. So you too can earn like this. So what you can do is just refer your friend. So once you refer your friend, so once you get the bonus amount like 500 or 600, just you can raise a ticket in your friend account and you can close the account. So that you will be getting the amount here over here. So once you get the amount, so here what you can do is, so just click on the takeout. So here you will be getting the withdrawable. So here once you get the 500, so you will be getting the takeout option. So just tap on it. So once you tap on it, enter your mobile number, enter the amount which you want to withdraw. So just enter the complete amount. So here there is no hidden charges over here to withdraw the money. And also here as you can see here your referral. So here you will be getting your friend name and also there is some pending account. So if your friend is not yet uploaded the documents, here you will be getting the pending. So if your friend is uploaded the documents and all, so you will be getting the amount and you will be getting your friend name. So here you will be displaying the how much referral amount you got. So once you got, you can withdraw the amount directly to your bank account. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members and comment your opinion below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.